So this is where you're going to write dumbbell press. You know, I did 100 kg, 3 reps. It was this time and it was this day. And then you say, okay. Then we went on to bicep curls and I did 8 reps of, 10, 11, 12 kilograms, however many it is. Hello and welcome back to the Residual Royalty Academy. On this channel, I show you how to go from nothing to at least $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000, $6,000 a month or more by publishing low and no content books. And in this video, I'm going to show you the perfect example of a couple of these niches. Now, to let you know where I found these niches, I used a software which is pretty new to me. I'm only just kind of just started with it basically a few days ago, but it is proving extremely insane for finding untapped niches. And it's called Bookbeam. Some of you will have heard of it before, some of you will not. But basically this is how I found these niches, and I actually found them live during a Discord call inside the Low Content Elite Society with a few people from the society who joined the call, and we found these live. So they were the first to know about these niches and about other niches which I'm not showing you in this video. So obviously if you do want to join the society, just come along and join us. There is one space left for this month, and I'm not literally joking. I have a screenshot. There's 29 sales already. So if you wanted to be the last person to join this month, then please click that link below. But basically I wanted to tell you the importance of niching down, especially when it comes to niches like this. If you were to search a generic fitness tracker, there's going to be thousands of competing books. But when I was searching on Bookbeam, I found this, which is a lot more niche down. So weightlifting logbook. So this is where you're going to write dumbbell press. You know, I did 100 kg, 3 reps. It was this time and it was this day. And then you say, okay. Then we went on to bicep curls and I did 8 reps of, 10, 11, 12 kilograms, however many it is. And this just makes for a much less competitive niche. As you can see, there's 160 search results. So way less competitive than a generic like diet tracker or fitness tracker when we niche down to weightlifting logbook specifically. You can see this one, 72,000, amazing rank. You can make this in literally one day. You just take the interior of the best books in the niche, make your own version of it, use similar keywords in your title. It's honestly not rocket science, and you can make these within 1 or 2 days, and just make a really nice cover. You can see they're not too complicated, and you will not go far wrong. So that one was 72,000. This one ranks 53,000. We can see there. This is though actually the one I found on Bookbeam itself. 31,000. You can see independently published. It's going to be because I actually filtered by that on Bookbeam. And this one again independently published, 158. The ranks do start to get a little bit worse as you go down, like 150, whatever. But we have proven by looking at these first few that this is a niche that you can surely do. Now the second one that I'm going to show you is a pretty insane niche. Again, this was found by Bookbeam during our Discord weekly call, group call in the Low Content Elite Society. So let's actually go and look at this right now. The only thing with this one, you need to go and check that the word national park, or maybe even the names of the different national parks are not trademarked, but this is a pretty insane one. So national park stamp book. Like I say, everybody who was in that call and in the society was first to know these, and was also first to know all the other niches that we found. Like there was way more than 2 that we found during that quick 1-hour call, which we do every week. But this one you can see 317 search results, barely any competition. And let's look at the ranks: 28,000, 50,000, only 1 review on it, 117,000, and basically the interior was just 2 repeating pages. So it says like, when did you go? What did you see there? Like, did you have a good time there? Yada yada. Those 2 pages stayed the same. The only thing that changes is the name of the parks on the front. And I think there's like 60 parks, so you can imagine you can get to 120 pages really easily. So 46,000 rank, 65,000. This is one of the best niches I found for a while, especially for a logbook, which is easy to make with such low competition as well. So this is what this is all about, guys. Just showing you like how to find these untapped niches that can make you, like, I think we looked at the figures, we looked at the stats using some software on this, and this book was going to be making like $300 a month, even with only a 4-star rating. And so yeah, this is just there's so much potential still, guys, still on KDP with low content. People might say, oh, it's really saturated, like my fitness tracker is not selling, but really they're just in the wrong niches, and you're not focusing on the untapped ones, which is what I think you should be doing is what I'm doing as well. So you can see 317 search results. The BSRs are amazing, 28,000, 50,000. These are selling multiple times a day. The prices also are not low. Like the royalty for each book will be like $3 or $4, especially on that one there. So an amazing niche, and yeah, if you want more of this kind of thing, then please come and join us in the Low Content Elite Society. That is all I have for today. That's only 5 minutes, but I do hope you enjoyed the video. So if you did, comment down below which niche you are going to publish in, and like the video, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.
They wanna count me out before